To replace the wall track sensor on Bob Pro, you'll need a new wall track sensor and a Phillips head screwdriver. Power off Bob before starting your repair. Press the bumper in while holding down the cover button. After 5 seconds, Bob will beep, and the cover light will turn off when released. Next, remove the dustbin. Grasp the tab on the back of Bob and slide the dustbin out. Then, flip Bob upside down so the wheels are facing up. Remove the 6 large screws from the underside of Bob. Keep all screws and parts removed from Bob safely aside for later reassembly. Next, remove the 2 small screws that hold Bob's side casing. Pull to detach each piece, using a flathead screwdriver for leverage if necessary. Bob's casing is no longer secured. Carefully flip Bob onto his wheels and lift the cover to expose the main board. Then, disconnect the circuit plug connecting the cover to the main board. The wall track sensor connects to the left edge of the main board. Unplug it and carefully feed its wiring out of the black hook inside Bob. Remove the screw securing the sensor to Bob. Then lift to remove it. Place the new sensor in the open space and install the screw that was removed previously. Feed the sensor's wiring under the black hook before plugging it into the main board. Now you're ready to replace Bob's cover. Reconnect the cover's circuit plug to the main board. Lay the cover down so it's slightly below the bumper's top edge. The bumper should move when pressed in. Flip Bob upside down. Next, install all 6 large screws on Bob's underside. Align the side casing pieces with the screw holes on Bob's underside. Then flip Bob onto his wheels and snap the pieces onto Bob's sides. Next, install the 2 small screws removed previously. Then, flip Bob onto his wheels and slide the dustbin back in place. Press and hold the cover button for 3 seconds to turn Bob back on. And congratulations! You've just replaced Bob Pro's wall track sensor. Happy sweeping!